Christmas Village.
Did you show our caged beast?
There's our caged beast. Oh, he's in the cage. Oh, yeah.
Christmas
Pretty good.
Day,
It's
yeah.
nice and warm.
Smells like a bowl of potpourri.
Nice and warm.
And if you do post stuff online, folks, we appreciate it. Please tag us, Big Cheese House. She's about to get the big cheese. Yeah, buddy. Enjoy, all right? Oh!
That's so good.
Thank you very much. We got a sip. Oh!
It's like steaming. Who has the baby? We found this little bear in the Christmas Village, wandering the Christmas Village.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Yeah, good boy. This is my last K-cup. You can't tell, but I'm crying inside. Ooh, fogging up the camera. Hello guys, so today is Tuesday, and can I just say, I cannot believe I managed to both do my makeup, do my hair, and I have a real shirt on that is not milk encrusted. It's a freaking Christmas miracle. So last night I did not sleep a whole heck of a lot because the baby was up every hour to every 2 hours, which is a lot even for him. We're still trying to get him to sleep more, but it's just, you know, it's just not, they kind of just do whatever they want because they're babies. You know what I mean? So I did pop in a little bit of footage from the Christmas Village that we went to the other day with Josh's mom and another family friend, and we took Wiley, and he had his first picture taken with Santa, and that was so incredibly adorable, of course. And the Christmas Village is just a little Christmas market that they have by City Hall in Center City, Philadelphia, and you know, you can drink mulled wine and do all kinds of holiday activities. And my mom is here for the week, which I am so happy to have help. I'm quickly realizing that we are going to need a babysitter, we're going to need a nanny, and I gotta start taking applications real soon. I also have a hair appointment this week that I'm excited about because it's just nice to go pamper yourself for a couple hours, especially when, like I said, I'm usually covered in milk. So I recently went shorter with my hair. I'm going to see if we can get it a little more angular, sort of longer in the front, shorter in the back type of situation. And as for the rest of the day, I got to take the baby to his doctor appointment. I'm gonna try to upload a video that I've been trying to upload all week. Just, it's been so crazy around here. We'll see where the day takes us.
What do you got there, buddy? Are those some sweet treats from our favorite neighborhood coffee shop?
So I got an almond croissant. And I forget what she said these were, like coconut pumpkin cake balls or something like that. Kind of looks like snow-covered dog poop, but it tastes delicious. Now it's time for priority number one. Okay, the baby's priority number one. Priority number two, watching the season premiere of Vanderpump Rules.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. I love it so much. You got the ends like razor sharp. So I just got my hair done. Usually when I get my hair done, I will have him curl it because why not take advantage of your stylist's amazing talents? But I got this sort of like angular blunt cut, and I just really kind of wanted it to be super, I was feeling the razor straight vibes today. But now I have to go do my makeup to match because I feel like it looks so crazy when you have your hair done and no makeup on. I'd rather just look sort of sloppy all around versus having one thing on point and other thing not. So we'll see if I can do my makeup. And my stylist Christopher told me that, oh, he broke the news to me today that he is moving to LA. I could seriously cry. He's so amazing. It took me years to find him. He's so talented and such an amazing person too. So I'm gonna miss him so much, but also very happy for this new step, this new opportunity. It gives me another reason to visit LA. Let's get some coffee on that note. So makeup is on, feeling like a new woman, and I'm sitting on a bed in my makeup room because we have a blow-up mattress set up since my mom is staying in this room because our guest room became Wiley's room, yada yada yada. But I did want to show you guys some products that came in the mail today from PR that I'm really excited about. This looks like a palette by BH Cosmetics and Sylvia Gani. I like this packaging, nice big pans too, really sleek packaging in this color down here. Yes ma'am. And you guys, I can't even with this MAC and Patrick Star collection. This red glitzy packaging is every single thing. I feel like the glosses from all the Patrick Star collections are always just so spot on. So I'm really excited to try those. And look at this mineralized skin finish. Love it. Can you imagine living on this block? You would have to have one of those. I woke up with a big bug bite on my forehead. Look, it's snowing. Doesn't it look so pretty through the bars on our windows, the prison bars? Today we're gonna make some applesauce. Mom?
Yeah.
Okay, what are you doing here? Talk to me. So we cut up how many apples?
Almost 3.
3 Gala apples. So put some liquid in the bottom, either water or fruit juice.
Drizzled some honey.
Yeah.
You can add cinnamon, nutmeg, whatever you like.
I like this guy.
That's good. And then we'll let it cook on low, covered.
Hopefully you can actually find a lid that fits your pan, unlike us. Looks like we made about 3 servings.
Well, you know, so then we'll dump it in. Sorry.
We're really, we're really good at this.
Excelling at this cooking show, filming. Then, you know, you can just like take a
Smush it up.
Smush it up. It's a little liquidy, but it's nice and moist. You can like put it over ice cream.
Moist.
And just, yeah. And you know.
It looks so good right now. Let's try it. Okay. It's very good.
It is very good.
Warms the soul.
It's another way to eat an apple.
It's another way to eat an apple.
Pretty soon you can make some for Wiley.
I could definitely just live on soup all fall and winter long. I love it so much.
Guess what? We did this. We actually did something.
We did something.
We signed our kid up for health insurance.
Yes, good parents.
And now we owe everyone all the money.
We're broke. We're broke. We're broke as a joke. Our friends Alicia and Brian sent us surprise pizzas in celebration of baby Wiley's arrival. They even sent us cheesy fries. Wiley approves. Shout out to the Cleavers for sending us that package of love, because that's what pizza really is when it boils down to it. It's love. All the way from Baltimore, Maryland. Food is comfort, y'all. Ain't that right? Ain't that the truth? You milk drunk, boy. Oh, whoops. Okay, so if I'm talking a little quiet, it's because I have a sleeping baby down here, but he's probably gonna be waking up very shortly anyway, so it's no big deal. But I wanted to show you the stuff that I got yesterday. I was planning on vlogging in the stores, but honestly, I'm just not super confident enough yet as a vlogger to take my camera in there and film myself and talk to myself. And I just wanted to get in and out of there as quick as possible, to be honest with you, but I wanted to show you what I got. I got this little faux tree at Target. And I thought it was cute. Faux trees are usually hit or miss, but this one looked not too shabby, and it's bendable, so you can, you know, like move the branches wherever you want them to be. Bows and ribbons. I love craft paper and just writing people's names on them with a white marker. Usually I get all of my gift wrapping stuff from IKEA, but they kind of have the same exact look all in a set with like even the twine and everything. This one too. I got these snow boots. Hopefully you can kind of see. I just saw these and I grabbed them and threw them in the cart. I didn't have time to try them on. I got 2 of these really pretty glass trees, and it has like sparkly rose gold. So again, I got 2 of those because it's good to have a pair just in case. I'm a fan of symmetry when it comes to decorating. Okay, don't look, Wiley. I got him this little ornament because it reminded me of those old school Christmas trees. I don't know, people used to decorate with. I remember my grandma had one that lit up and it was so pretty. And then I also got this cardigan, and I went with a really oversized look for this. Doesn't it look like the most cozy thing in the entire world? I'm really excited about that. Oh, and I got this basket, which I really wanted to use as a laundry basket in Wiley's room, but I think until the holidays are over, I might just put it here in front of the fireplace to use for blankets and pillows and things, because I just love the texture. And then I already have one of these, but I went back and I got another. This is just a little flocked Christmas tree, and I'm not gonna undo it and bend the branches right now because the flocking will just go everywhere, but you could bend this just like the other one. But I thought this was so cute, and I just wanted another. I don't know, I love the look of these little flocked trees, so I went ahead and picked up another one just in case. Then I also went to Ulta. I feel like this is kind of turning into a haul, but whatever, I'm sure you guys don't mind. This is a makeup bag. I've been eyeing this up for a while. It has sort of, it's like a faux black leather, almost an eyelet. This is actually a pretty good size. Like, it's not too small, not too big kind of thing. I was pretty much all out of shampoo, so I got my favorite Pureology Hydrate shampoo and conditioner, Anastasia Blonde Brow Gel. What else did I get? Oh, this is a sample of the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. What shade did they give me? Stepping Out. What shade did I buy? Okay, I didn't buy this shade. That's awesome. I wanted to get 2 more of these. They actually gave me a sample of another color. I got my Lancome brow pencil, the Brow Define pencil in 02 Blonde. Love that. Also, never underestimate the power of the thrift store. I got 2 of these from the thrift store. They're like pink with brownish and white speckles on them, and I got 2 of them for like $3. They're my favorite mugs ever. I wanted to go there yesterday too, but I didn't get around to it. But then, oh, 1 second, baby, I'm almost done. I got 2 of these Smashbox Always On liquid lipsticks. These are some of my favorite liquid lipsticks. They're amazing. I recently had to throw away pretty much all of mine because they ended up drying out. And I got these 2 shades, Boss, which is a pretty red. I just wanted that for the holidays. And then Driver's Seat here, which is a really pretty like corally neutral color. Okay, and we're done. Those are great because they go on super even and pigmented. They never make your lips look dry. They're amazing. Okay, time to eat. Time to eat.
What are you dreaming about, buddy? You don't want to be on camera?
That looks like throw up.
Mom.
It's a food channel. It's nasty.
Beautiful moments. Boop.
Who's waking up? Who's waking up? Wiley's waking up. You living the dream, buddy. You living the dream.
So I figured I would wrap one of Wiley's presents so that we have something wrapped under the tree. This is a little wooden, it's a handmade elephant pull toy that we got at the Christmas market the other day.